Hey everyone, Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech here. We've got a new iPhone accessory for the 16 Pro today, and it's another MagSafe wallet. You may remember from my previous video, I'm not the biggest fan of MagSafe wallets. They add a lot of bulk without adding a lot of functionality. But Spigen released the Valentinus, I think I'm saying that correctly, MagSafe capable wallet. It's made of vegan leather and it has a secondary MagSafe ring on the outside, so MagSafe should still work. Let's unbox it and try it out. Let's take a look at this new wallet from Spigen. This is the Valentinus, and I'm sorry, I don't know about that name. It's just hard to say. But it says that it can hold up to 3 cards total, with reviews saying it can go up to 5, so we'll test that out. Easy out, so you can push the cards right out, and a secondary MagSafe ring. So let's unbox it and see how it goes. One thing I'll say is the box came a little smashed up, so although I want to, I don't really need the jerry ring everything unboxing knife, but just for the sake of tradition, so that I'll unbox. From there we'll open her up. Not a whole lot, but the MagSafe wallet itself. And there it is. It is in a nice vegan leather. It feels good to the touch, doesn't leave any fingerprints. Nice orange secondary MagSafe ring. So we'll test that out in a little bit. Actually, let's just see if it does not pick up the jerry rig everything knife, so it does not pass that test. The back is nice and rubberized, so it has a grippy texture. Let's see how it fits on the phone. And nice. It looks pretty good. Oh, nice little MagSafe ring there. When you hold it directly from it, can't get a finger. It's pretty strong. Push the cards right up, and without a case, it looks pretty nice. I'll say that. That looks nice. Let's load it up with some cards and try and put it on with a case as well. I have my 16 Pro back in a Taurus case. We have a review coming soon with a couple Taurus cases, so sneak peek on that, and we're just gonna see how it fits. There is no magnet on the bottom going straight like this one right here, so it doesn't line up perfectly on this case, but you know, the magnet is strong, and it does not have any features like Find My, like I think one from ESR has. But altogether, it's thicker, but not unwieldy. It's all right in the hand. Feels good in the hand. Shout out floss. Before going any further, let's take a quick look at the weight. All in, this comes in at a total of 63 grams. So that, on top of the iPhone, that is 199 grams, and the case, which brings it up to 250, it's well over 300 grams. The iPhone is getting heavy with the accessories and the cases. I got the MagSafe Spigen case loaded up with 4 cards. I had to take out the little divider to make sure that 4th card could fit, and you know, the cards fit just fine. Although it advertises 3, taking out the divider, 4 fits, no problem. I tried to fit a 5th card in there and it was a little too tight. With 4 cards in here, this comes to a new weight of 83 grams. So it added about 20 grams with those 4 cards. So all in with the phone, 292 without the 45 to 50 gram case. Altogether, I have to say, this feels a lot better than my previous MagSafe case. I've never kept one because it never felt good in the hand. I'll try it out for a couple days and I will see how it goes in terms of going in and out of pockets, how the magnets are. I want to test out how this MagSafe ring is. I saw some videos of people, you know, throwing it on the gym, being able to like magnetize it right there. So we'll give it a shot. Our obligatory MagSafe tester, let's give it a shot. Now you lose your MagSafe charging, so there's no wireless charging, but it does hold the magnet. It's not strong enough to pick up the actual charger, but it is strong enough to hold it. First and foremost, I want to say to my viewers that say I should try going caseless, I tested it caseless just for you. You know, I've never liked a MagSafe wallet. I never thought that the functionality was worth the hassle and kind of the risk of losing your wallet. I never wanted that. You know, I've tried ESR, I've tried the Apple one, and I never loved those experiences. I think that that may be changed with this Spigen MagSafe wallet. It is surprisingly slim. The vegan leather feels great. The extra magnet isn't what I'd think is the most useful, but it adds a kind of cool, fun pop of color. And I've been using this thin carry wallet for the last decade or so, and this is maybe just as thin. Let's see, this is just as thin, but the fact that I can just throw it on the back of my phone, throw it in my car when I leave and not have to worry about another accessory is kind of cool. Would I love some other functionality like Find My availability? Sure, I know some wallets have a kickstand. I don't necessarily want that extra bulk. What I want is thinness. I managed to slide it out a bit, both my shorts and my jeans pretty quickly without it pinching on the side and falling off. I want to keep testing it, but I liked it enough that I wanted to have an immediate answer to you all and say, it's kind of good. I was shocked, and I'm actually gonna keep it to keep using it. And when the Apple wallet comes in at, I think, $50, this wallet on sale on Amazon was, I believe, $26.99. So it's not too expensive. Would I recommend it? I'll say proceed with caution. You know, using a MagSafe wallet always comes with a risk. You're trusting a lot of information on just one magnet. This one's pretty strong though. So if you're throwing it in and out of the bag going to work, if you're throwing it in and out of the bag going to the gym, that's a great use for it. I wouldn't use it as my primary wallet, but I'm gonna keep it and try it out because it has been pleasantly, surprisingly good. If you learned anything in this video, please leave a like. And if you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe. This is Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech. Thanks for tuning in.